In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop the Google Ads bid strategy learning status, and I'll also share some valuable insights and tips along the way. If you've ever worked with Google Ads, you know how crucial it is to have your campaigns running efficiently. However, when your bid strategy is stuck in the learning phase, your efficiency can be compromised. Understanding how to effectively stop the learning status can be a game changer for your marketing efforts. Let's dive in and tackle this step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Google Ads website. This is your starting point and where all the adjustments will take place. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on Sign In to access your Google Ads account. It's important to ensure that you're using the correct account associated with your campaigns to avoid any confusion. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage. From here, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and locate the Campaigns tab. Clicking on this tab will take you to a list of all the campaigns you're currently running. Find the specific campaign that's experiencing issues with the bid strategy learning status. Select this campaign to enter its detailed settings. Next, you should notice an option labeled Edit. Clicking on this lets you access various settings related to your campaign. Beneath this, you'll see an option to change bid strategy. It's under this setting where the magic really happens. Selecting Change Bid Strategy gives you the flexibility to adjust the parameters that might be causing your bid strategy to remain stuck in learning. You may want to consider trying a different strategy or fine-tuning your existing one to see if this resolves the persistent learning status. While it might feel a bit daunting at first, tinkering with these settings will allow you to find the optimal strategy tailored to your campaign needs. Throughout the process, it's crucial to stay observant about what works and what doesn't. Google's bid strategies are designed with a learning phase to adapt and improve performance, but they require your input and adjustments to fine-tune them effectively. With this understanding, you should find stopping the Google Ads bid strategy learning status much more approachable and effective. Remember, patience and targeted adjustments are key here. Keep experimenting with your bid strategies until you find the perfect balance that meets your campaign objectives. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you optimize your Google Ads experience.